In this first video, what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you how to sign into both the Learn domain and the Share domain. Now, the Share domain is where you go to perhaps create a Google Doc or a Google Slide presentation, something that you're going to use in class that's teacher created. The Learn domain is where you go, for instance, if you want to use Google Classroom and you want to create things that you can share with your students that they will see, say for instance assignments on Google Classroom. So what you're going to do is you're going to go to ClassLink. The URL's right up here. There's a lot of ways to get to it. I saved it as a bookmark here in Google Chrome, and you can go through the Brevard Public Schools website. I like to use the bookmark because it's faster and I don't have to click through a bunch of links. So if you don't know how to save a bookmark, once you get to this page, if you click the star, you'll be able to create a bookmark here like I did, and I just typed in Launchpad and then done. So we're going to log into Launchpad. Okay, so then what we're going to do is we're going to go to Google Drive. Now you see Google Drive and Google Docs are the same thing. You can save a link to your Google Drive in your Launchpad here, and if you don't know how to do that, you can press the plus button. So you just type in Google Drive, search, and there it is, and then you'll press the add button. So then the next thing you're going to do is you're going to click on the Google Drive icon in your Launchpad. When you sign in, if you've already signed into Google Drive, you might get a login screen like this. If you've already got other Google accounts, what you want to do is you want to click Add Account, and then what you're going to type in your first and last name, just like your email, and then to log into the Share domain, you're going to type in share.brevardschools.org, and then hit enter. Now it's saved my password, so what you'll have to do is enter your password. It's the same password just like when you log into your computer in the morning when you get to work, or when you log into Launchpad, the same password. That's one thing that makes this easy. So that's the Share domain, and here you can see all of my materials that I use to teach. That's what I use the Share domain for. Now I'm going to sign back out, and I'm going to show you how to log into the Learn domain. Okay, so once you sign out, you get this page. You just click exit, go back to Google Drive, and you see I'm at the same page here. So now what I want to type in, the same thing, except where I put Share, I want to put Learn. Now, why would you want to log into the Learn domain? The Learn domain is where later on, when you start using Google Classroom, you're going to need to log into this in order to manage your Google Classroom classes. So I'm going to show you that in just a second. Okay, so now it's loading my Google Drive that I use for, and you see there's not very much in here because I don't use this to create materials. I can if I want, and I'm new to the Google Classroom just like you guys are, so later on I might create some materials here. I'm going to open up a new tab, and I'm going to go to my Google Classroom just so you can see what that looks like. And there it is. So I'm going to click on, and I'm logged in with my Learn domain, so it's going to show me my classes, and you can see my Learn domain over here. Okay, so here are my classes. I don't have a lot yet, but you can see I can click on my class, and the stream is where is what students will see. They will see all of my assignments here, and if I want to create an assignment, I press this plus button down here and do all of that. And we'll talk more about that stuff later on, but I just wanted you to see how you would get to what you would use the Learn domain for and how to log in. All right, I hope that was helpful for you guys. Bye.